Here, finally, that motherfucker.
Ooh, here's my new iPhone.
Oh, wow. Don't break the motherfucker. Oh, this is the shit you put on your pumpkin. You put the paper on the pumpkin.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. I know I need to take this off. Okay, let's unveil the new beautiful.
Oh my god.
The beautiful dynamic island. That is pretty.
It really is.
I love the deep purple. Look at those big ass lenses. Ooh.
Yeah.
Big lenses. Let's see. This reminds me, the design kind of reminds me of the older iPhones too.
That's what I think as well. It looks kind of like the older one.
How do you turn it on is a question.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's one way to unbox the cord, the charging cable.
Now you gotta buy a brick for it. They're even charged the same
I can
way.
use my brick from my iPhone 11 that I'm filming this with.
Are you sure you can use it?
I think so. Hello. Am I supposed to press something?
I think so. That's what my iPad did when I first got it. It said hello like that. Yeah, Android don't do anything like that.
English, US. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Hello, I'm filming with an iPhone. Maybe I have to quit filming. Okay. Well, anyway, I wanted to show my new iPhone. I remember this time period for all eternity. I'm just kidding.